Welcome to the Rainbow Push Saturday Morning Community Forum. We're doing several things today. One, we're going to take you back down memory lane, give you the history of how we came to be the Rainbow Push Coalition. We're going to start with Operation Breadbasket and that whole economic justice campaign and what it meant then and what it means today. Also, we're going to talk about our food justice program. We spent Thanksgiving serving and meeting needy families for Thanksgiving Day, giving them meals sponsored by many of our contributors, World Central Kitchen and Gibson's Restaurant, also Manny's Deli on the west side, Eli's Cheesecake. Some people had a phenomenal meal, and we thank God for all of our sponsors. Valare Restaurant served people before Thanksgiving. We thank them for the food that they shared.
We are so grateful. We are so thankful. In this pandemic, how we're so thankful to God that He's still providing, that we can depend on Him. We want to say thank you, Reverend, so much for letting us be a part of it.
It was Giving Tuesday this week. Some of you didn't take the opportunity to give on Giving Tuesday. Some of you have been shopping on Cyber Monday and you shopped on Black Friday, but it's not too late to go to Amazon Smile, look for Push Excel. You can still make a contribution. I know you're still shopping. There are things that you want to get. We'll give a gift to Push for Excellence to help a child get a scholarship, help us continue our oratorical and our STEM programs all around the nation. You can give by going to Amazon Smile, looking for Push for Excellence. Don't want you to miss Reverend Jackson's column this week, constantly trying to give us an insight on how to assess some of the critical issues of the day. And then I want to make sure that you get your membership right now. Want to make sure that you renew your membership if you already have a Push membership card. If not, you need to get it now. And don't forget, Christmas is a great time to give a copy of Reverend Jackson's book. It is a powerful collection of his sermons and his messages and speeches. You want this collector's item for this Christmas. Share it with your family and your friends. And you can see on the screen, you can call us, you can go to Amazon and purchase it from Amazon.com. There's just so many other things. All roads lead to Georgia. You're going to hear from our Peachtree Director, Attorney Robert Patillo. He's going to give us an update on Georgia. Some young people are telling you what they're doing about Georgia. We're going to win Georgia, and you're going to help us. We're going to make sure that everybody that's in Georgia votes. Stay tuned. Don't turn that dial. Stay where you are. The push is on.